In today's video, I'm going to show you how I build these simple nesting chairs. Purchased the templates from Jay Bates, who designed them, a very inexpensive route to streamline the process of creating a beautiful and very comfortable outdoor chair. So let's get to it. As I always do, I start the milling process by first cutting the pieces to more manageable sizes, working with oak today. Planing the thickness to approximately 3/4 inches, using the template to gauge the exact thickness needed, and then jointed an edge for a reference to be used on the table saw. Continuing on and tracing the chair templates to the oak, I thought I was one piece short but made it work. Brought the pieces to the bandsaw, cutting it as close to the outline as possible. Leaving less just makes it much easier with the flush trim bit. As a woodworker, this process is always so satisfying to watch, seeing the wood change from rough cut into unique pieces of furniture. When that was finished, I used painter's tape with glue and activator to hold the template to the oak. On my first chair, I used a straight cut bit and was quickly persuaded to upgrade to a spiral bit, especially when you have a few pieces kicked back. While the template is still attached, used a Forstner bit to drill out the material for the cross slat, and finished again with the flush trim. Putting those pieces aside, I ripped the slats. Simple process, just ripping the boards all the same width, and then cross cutting at the miter saw to length using a stop block. To soften all the edges, giving all the pieces a 1/4 inch round over. I'll also take this moment to mention I built this router table, which is a Jay Bates design as well, specifically for this build. I've needed one in my shop more and more as I do repetitive tasks like this chair required. The router table just expedited the process and allowed me to learn a new tool while avoiding the expensive cost of an adjustable router. Assembly was straightforward, simple, and repetitive, pre-drilling and driving about 60 screws. Here I used the edge of my square, which I believe is exactly a 1/4 of an inch, and gave me the proper amount of overhang. Penciled a nice straight line to keep the screws all symmetrical. I only had drywall screws at the time, so that's what I used. However, I did change to outdoor rated hardware later on. Then putting in the cross slat for the seating portion, securing it in place, and cut the access off with a pull saw. Applied 3 coats of outdoor rated sealer to enrich the color and grain while giving it the protection it'll need for patio use. This chair just has such a great design and a unique feature where the 2 pieces can slide together for storage or transporting. These I gifted and will be thoroughly enjoyed poolside. I will be making more come summertime for our home out of cedar or walnut. I will have the link to JBaits channel and the templates down below. Thank you for watching. Like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe. Hope to see you in the next one.